I see him so them pre-youth like Alkaline and them youth them. Cause man and man now running upon them and running to them.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
When real clash go on, me not take no side.
A few moments later.
Enough of them boy where you see I run out now and style up a massacre and I say real massacre.
One eternity later.
I'm hate to see artists I take side.
2,000 years later.
I hate the fact that them youth ya massacre them. When you hear them out there chat and talk about song weak and raw and rare.
A few moments later.
You know, me not care DJ Fire, me not care who I win, you know.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagwan, you don't know Media Fox, you know. So we see Mr. Vegas run out. You see it must say something about Alkaline and you know where Alkaline. What them do to Alkaline, same thing them do with Massacre, which I understand that. But to me, the image show some shots of Demarco. Cause you don't know Demarco forward out and review the clash between Tamale and Massacre and thing. And you see me Massacre song them is like a good gun song them, but you know good for the war. Yeah, but we're gonna make him hear what I say.
What me really want to point out, you see Massacre? The first of them hate Massacre. I'm not against, and this has not to do with me I score the clash, or me I try say Massacre win, or Massacre lead, or no, it's not to do with that. But the first of them hate Massacre. Yeah. They hate Massacre. And you know why they hate Massacre? Because them say carve out a little lane for himself. Anybody come to the dancehall and carve out a little space for themselves and them see, yeah, well that space and them start pray.
I don't understand with that still, you know. Cause Massacre carve out him own space. Yo, like a few months ago, Massacre and Cartel link up on the Gaza thing before Sunfest, so I don't know what kind of space. You know? I don't know. To be honest, we don't know if the man them attack behind doors or whatsoever, them still call each other. You understand? But everybody knows majority of Massacre fan them. A Gaza people them. Yeah, I'm a Valco Crux fans and thing, and you don't know Gaza thing not really loyal like that. So some of them maybe just say, you know what, just a whole out with Massacre, you know. You see it. And not just that.
And when I tell about the fussy them, I talk about the artists them and the players who play a role in the industry, who make up the industry. And some real fussy them. When you hear them attack, you know, you hear them attack. And notice when certain man a clash. Why you think them jump on a certain wagon? Why you think them jump on a certain side? Because a long time they don't like you. They know why you hold that space there. No?
And I really remember, you know, sometimes some fans just jump on the side where I win. Sometimes them jump past on the side where I have the clout, we have the more power, we have the more crowd. You understand? So it's like you don't know Tamale with the Gaza. Them are go pick the Gaza side because you don't know. Them don't want to take the backlash and everything. You see it. But to be honest, it's a war going. Like everybody, you see me obligated to choose them side, no matter if you're an artist or what. At the end of the day, you're still a human. You're still a fan of some artists. I remember, you know, you was just a regular person before you turn an artist. So if an artist want to pick them side, them just pick them side. Nothing wrong with that. You see, because at the end of the day, you forward out, you say you maybe not pick no side or, but bro, you're there, you're defend Massacre. You're not different Tamale. You know, me not hear you defend or say nothing about Tamale. So you do pick your side too, but you make it, you play a little thing like, you know, choosing a side.
So you see how the artists them now you see come out and talk against Massacre. And because Massacre song them nobody know. And some of them select a boy and some of them vlogger too. Why think enough of them attack against Massacre? I don't say Massacre song them nobody. But a long time them a pre him. A long time them a pre him, you know. Yeah.
But Mr. Vegas, what you mean by a long time? The vlogger them, the artist them, bro, it's a clash of going. Two artists are go at it. Everybody are listen to the lyrics them, the song them, everybody. The people them I choose based on who them think, yo, counteract better, who a punch, who, you understand, who a do the lyrics. You understand? People say, yo, Massacre just a rhyme and him song them a sound like a gun song. Brother, a people opinion, you see me, and everybody see what I go on. Some don't know what you mean by pick side. What you mean? How this have to do with people and rate Massacre? Tell me now. If a man nah do well or something, what that have to do with it, brother? People just listen to the song them and say, yo, you should have do better. Seem like how Massacre use cartel flow. Him nah diss up the whole camp, that everybody else say him nah diss up the whole Gaza. That's all people have to say, brother. And nothing we not rate or come on, bro. What do everybody else say, yo, Massacre just engage in a clash where I get the most attention right now. So people are review and people say, yo, Tamilia punch Massacre, you understand? I did Massacre away when it come to the lyrics, and but it's like people are say, yo, Massacre song them sound too much like a regular gun song. People are listen to the lyrics them and say, yo, I just be a rhyme him rhyme. So just that and nothing to do, yo, them not rate the man. Massacre good artists, of course them listen to Massacre good song them and gun song them. Them do it, bro. But not true clash now and a man say, yo, you need to do better. Means say the man not rate the man. Nobody not rate the man. You see it, and the vlogger them and talk, brother. Everybody are gonna choose them sides a competition. Or just that. So if somebody say, yo, I ain't even have to choose no side either, because you judge the war off of lyrics and punchline. You understand? And I say you pick no side, you just had judge like how you then go in a competition and the judge a judge you. The judge now pick no side. If 10 somebody in a competition, the judge now pick no side, the judge a judge based on where you have to offer. Yeah, just that.
I see him so them pre-youth like Alkaline and the youth there. Cause man and man now running upon them and running to them. Them hate that. Yeah? Them not love youth and youth to carve out a little space to themselves and hold them one space. Them not like that. Them want can link you to a camp. Them want can link you to the artist with them like.
Well, I really think that's still. Yeah, man, I agree with that. With Alkaline say, yo, them they want him to say Gaza, but him not say it. You understand? But the Massacre scenario thing, that not really I go with the point where you say with Alkaline, because when Alkaline forward, Joe Alkaline never pick no side. Them kinda I try show me mouth and him say, yo, ma this a man ya, ma copy this a man ya style. Everything for try to bring down the youth. I understand with that, but Massacre thing now is a clash, and people are judge the clash based on the lyrics we are put out. So you don't really have nothing to say, yo, them not rate Massacre. Because the same people them listen Massacre song. It's just that the lyrics seem like if you watch football and that side they lose and you say, yo, this a man a play better. This a man a play, you know, him not play good. Yeah, just that. I don't really say fully say, yo, you not rate the artist. It's just that the artist nah do him for do. You see me?
You have to always be under the regime. You have to always be under the regime. Worse if a man give you that strength. When you did all about them, I think say, yo, that strength that the man give you, you owe that man the rest of your life. You can't step away from that and go be your own man. And you know why they stay so? And I tell you why them stay so. They stay so because I saw them live. Enough of them boy you see, I run out now on a style up a Massacre and I say, Rebel Massacre. I hate the fact that man do something with them, never do, you know. And for them are some dinosaur too, you know, some dinosaur, some old man, you know. Some big old man. But you go and know, them each up on the man, regime, all them life. And play bow down. And play, you know, sun roll about daddy, big old man.
But you know, Mr. Vegas, the thing, you know, what you have to tell the artists them too is to do them own thing. Some of them artists I love handout. Remember, you know, when Movard and Alkaline did it, seeing the goal event that thing, Massacre him go come out on stage and say, yo, a Gaza genocide. Massacre tell their prison, you know. Him found out, him say me some youth, I say, yo, goal vendetta, a Gaza genocide. So him tie for him brand to cartel thing, which it do a thing for him brand. Gaza people himself give him the strength, everything. You understand? So Gaza people are gonna say, oh, That you try do, you try this, you try do that. You understand? That's why the people must say, if Masika say him the goat and he want the crown or whatsoever, he must this up everybody. You see it? Because if you gonna move on from that knowing say you usually say Gaza, you have to this up everybody if you take over the throne. It no matter where them want say or them no want answer you. You're different and I eat your guafa. And I just that.
Call all man daddy. Daddy. You see what I say? Big old man. Oh, my daddy. My daddy. So they eat the fuck. Yeah man, and Robert, a good clash man. A two bad artists. The man they eat the facts, youth and youth come from under certain regime and start build a little foundation for themselves and start build a little, empire for yourself. Then you eat them thing there, Then you eat them thing, man. When you hear them out there chat and talk about song weak and rare. I hate them eat the facts of them youth there. Massacre them. Just step out in a little zone for themselves. And all of that. You see what I say? And now them get an opportunity to make them voice be heard. You see what I say? They just want to know because them things if them said the things that them say now, nobody not go pre them because a clash of go on and people are talk about we sang bad and we sang no bad. So that's something them want to say a long time,
People are Demarco him attack, Because Demarco forward out and he must say, yo, Massacre come up with some like ABC lyrics and you see me and he must say, yo, Tammy have the more better punchline and the more lyrics in the song. You understand? I just that Demarco just had reviewers, anybody will listen to the song. People out the road that do the same thing with Demarco do. Some man pan corner listen and say, yo, I want this music cartel for him do that. Nothing wrong with that, brother. So I don't know why Mr. Vegas in him feelings. He must say him no pick side in a war and thing, but him there a defend Massacre and say man no like. I don't know how this forward up. I don't know when things man a clash and then two people say, yo, that song is no good. Mean say them no like the artist. Mr. Vegas, come on man, brother.
I think what them always want to say, But no, them get a chance to say it because clash a go on. And people are a great song and people are score song. So now you see them out there and them a chat off them out and them a talk about her. And them know everything about music now and them know about them know everything about bad song. Everything them know about bad song. And them round out know what about song this and song that. Song no good, song rare. A long time them want to talk them thing, But they get a chance now to say it. But you we don't know say you are suddenly stay from morning. Me not care DJ Fire, me not care who I win, a two bad artists. When a real clash I go on, me not take no side.
Mr. Vegas, you not care who I win, right? That you just say, you not care who I win. And when real clash I go on, you not take no side. Then why you forward out to talk about Massacre? Why you talk about say, yo, them not like Massacre, them a talk about him lyrics no good and him song weak and all of them. Like, say, you pick your side, brother. You pick your side. And now me not hear you say nothing about Tammy Lee. Me not hear you say nothing about Tammy Lee, brother. You pick your side, but you act like you not pick your side. All me here you call a Massacre, man. You pick your side, brother, nothing wrong with that. But don't say you no pick no side, bro. You understand? Bro, so yo, that go to the Lego ego thing.
A two bad artists, me not take no side when real clash I go on. I'm 8 artists I take side when real clash I go on. Me not talk about two little fool artists I go at it and a joke thing. When real clash I go on, yeah, unless you go in a clash, go drop 2 songs too.
Boy, may I tell you, brother. Me know Demarco matter, man. Because Demarco only artist I will see they on live I review the song, the man thing, you see me? And him just not like say Demarco say, yo, Tammy Lee have the more punchline, but me know say maybe him and Massacre are friend and so. But you can't tell the artist them what to do, brother. The artist them a human thing, You have artists who rate artists, brother. See? You have artists where, cause if you listen back, Demarco thing, Demarco never really had this Massacre like that. The man give Massacre him credit and say, yo, him have some bad song. You understand? He might do some hit song and thing. Him say it. All these things. But the man just say, yo, Massacre nah give a song the way war song, like him a diss somebody. That's all the man I say. Some don't know Mr. Vegas now forward in a film feelings now. I say him not think no artist fi in a no clash give no review. Bro, a human, you're going like the artist. Artist and a human too. Artist was a regular person before them turn artist. What you mean? Them have a choice to choose who are do good or what's. Come on, bro. Some of the time they come out on the feelings, dog. Cause you are saying a pit side, and you there they are cuss vlog and everybody who attack against Massacre. You pick Massacre side, brother. You understand? You say you don't care who, which song or whatever. Then why you have out and a defend Massacre? How the people them a go on with Massacre thing or comment? Bro, me I tell you about Nina, bro.
Half our next man in the camp with a camp there war. But when real clash are going, when real war are going in a music, real clash. The artist not fair clear run out there and about them a take no side and a style up next artist song and them thing. Brother, the whole that we put out every music. The whole that we put out idiot song then. And if you have so much say as an artist or a selector, yeah? If you have so much say about music where good and music are the greatest and music where not good.
Yo, when you hear him say artist and selector, you know, him attack Foota and Demarco. Yeah, them two person they attack.
So comes when you boss na song. How comes when you put out no hit song? If you don't know so much about music, how comes when you voice no hit song for yourself? Or when you boss na song? Because you know everything about music.
Yo, Mr. Vegas, brother, can we say far out in your feelings, bro? What hit song have to do with clash, bro? What you try? Two people them say Massacre get the hit them, you try push you. Cause me know Demarco him attack, you know. You try say true, Demarco no get no hits. You try to put that fi say yo, how him know about music. Then you tell me say you have to get hit song fi know about music, brother. Mr. Vegas, when last you get a hit song? You know about music. When last you get a hit song? Come me know what you talk about, brother. Me don't know what you talk about. Cause Demarco him look a review. I talk about the song. Him still give Massacre him credit say yo he's a tough artist. You understand? Him just say him disappointed and him coulda him expect better from Massacre. That's all the man I say. But you forward out in your feelings now. I try different Massacre while you say you no pick no side. Y'all know you no say nothing about Tommy Lee. You understand? You say yo you no pick no side now the clash and you no care who song and but you are cuss the DJ them yeah basically to me a massive Demarco and Foota type him attack. So him in a feel him feelings to the man them attack say yo Massacre nah really rare and this up. You know? I just that say Massacre nah do the right thing. So I hit him in a feel him feelings, you know. Yo dog, Mr. Vegas. Jano, do better than that, brother.
When I see bad artists a clash, me just wish them well. I know it's like good for the industry because it make the industry exciting. And that's it for me, you know. As an artist, you know. Yeah, man. Me not pick no side in a real war. Especially go out there publicly and say, and the man they win and the man they lose. Because at the end of the day, you know.
Yo, brother, yo, this a man there defend Massacre and him say him not pick no side. I don't understand that. Bro, if you come out on the feelings, brother. Cause you say you not come out and do nothing. Fine, bro. It's like you want people to do what you are say, fam. If Demarco want forward and review the thing, bro. First of all, the reason why Demarco even forward and not talk about it is because Demarco name call up in the clash. Tommy Lee say, yo, remember said Demarco box Massacre. That's why the man review the song, brother. The man name call. So if the man want to talk about it, nothing wrong with that, brother. You realize I know much artists really come out and a pick side really like that, fam. And Demarco only artist me see where a Ray and a true film name calling at the song. He might do a look a review and people say you only if you listen this and you know? But brother, proud out of your feelings, dog. Cause you pick your side too, brother. Stop going like you know pick your side, dog. Cause why in your feelings if you never pick a side then? Eh? Yeah, man, I tell you about them man in dog. You know what Mr. Vegas, you know? Like him not really have nothing to do, but big up himself still. You see me? Him do him thing, Mr. Vegas, him do him thing back in the days. But you don't know him forward in the media and say something when I make no sense. But people who don't know in a one media facts, you know, yeah man, that is it.